Let's start with one simple premise. You exercise for results. We only go to put ourselves through that pain because we want the results. Premise number 2, workouts alone don't get results. If you look at the guy who's had the gym membership for the last 6 months, who goes in every day, gets up the sweat, and his body never changes, or the person who goes to the group exercise class 4 times a week, slogs their guts out, and their body never changes, that is because workouts alone don't get you results. There's a whole host of things you need to do outside the workout, and that is where the challenge comes in. The challenge is a complete ecosystem that's been carefully considered and thought through to provide you with everything you need to do outside the workout so that the workout can do its job. So we might look at your food diary, give you feedback on that. We might give you menus and recipes. We will even deliver your food to your front door from your sofa on an iPhone. You can book in a box and have clean food delivered to your door that, if you eat, will unlock results in your training. And we don't just stop at food. We will give you a structured fitness test so you know exactly what you can do physically. You can then benchmark yourself and set goals and have something to drive towards, to beat. We will email you every single day with blogs, documents, videos. We encourage you to questions, and the next day you'll get answers to your questions. So you're learning, you're expanding your mind about what it is to be fit and healthy. Compare this to what you get in 99% of every single fitness service out there. What do you get? You get the workout. That's it. What do workouts alone get you? Nothing. The challenge is the complete system. If you're paying your money and just doing workouts, you are throwing your money away. Come to Circuit Factory, take a challenge, and see how quickly the results arrive when you put every piece of the puzzle together.